Welcome to our guide on how to add a GIF to your photo on Facebook with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section located at the top of your newsfeed. This is where you can create a new post or story. Next, tap on the camera icon to access the camera feature within Facebook. Select Story, located at the bottom of the screen, to create a visual story with your photo and GIF combination. Take a photo using the camera or choose one from your gallery to serve as the base for your creative post. Once you've selected the photo you want to enhance, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen to add stickers, including GIFs, to your image. Tap on the GIF icon to access a collection of animated GIFs that you can incorporate into your photo. Select the GIF that best suits your photo by tapping on it. This allows you to personalize your image with a touch of animation. After choosing the desired GIF, tap on Done, located at the bottom right of the screen to confirm your selection. Tap Next, and then Share to post your photo with the added GIF to your Facebook feed, allowing your friends and followers to enjoy your creative creation. By following these steps, you can easily elevate your photos on Facebook by adding lively GIFs to make your posts more engaging and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to add a GIF to your photo on Facebook with the latest updates. Get creative and start sharing your animated masterpieces today.